So we've all been trying to do it. The big goal of 100,000 subscribers, right? We've been hunting down different videos. You're learning from your best content creators. You're really trying to figure out, dude, what does it take to get to like this? What does it take for me to get here? What can I do to get here? I'm going to give you guys one of the most, it's, in my opinion, I think it's just crazy, but that's the times that we're living in. So on average, there's about this much amount of content that's uploaded on YouTube every single minute. Let's pause and think about that for a second. Now, if you know that this is the reality for content creation and the competition is this fierce, I want you to think about how much you're going to have to weave through and how specific and hopeful you have to be the algorithm puts your content to the right person. I watched a video yesterday, and this is the premise of this video. I watched a top social media influencer talk exactly about his process. And he posted in this video that he posts 397 times a day. And I want you to think about that. So while you and I are posting maybe one short or one long form video a day, the top creator, he's a top creator, is posting 397 times per day. The first thing I thought to myself was when he was, I was watching the interview, I wanted to get some value from it. First off, he was pretty cocky of a guy. I liked his content when he first started out, but I guess just now, of course, the substance and, the pride and the status of things changes an individual. As it does. But I was watching his content and I thought to myself, he pays that many editors to be able to produce that much content. So on average, if I were to really go all out, I would be able to produce maybe 20 pieces of content, long form with great edits, with great shorts, with great pieces of content coming at you, that will hopefully hook you and keep you to stay. Yeah, it's going to take me about 20, maybe 25 videos, right? The fact that he's able to produce 397, you got your team, you got a bunch of people there, and he's also explaining to us exactly how that algorithm works. The algorithm, truth to it, is really built on hyper exposure. It's mass exposure. The more you produce, the more you get back. And this is why content creation is so difficult. And I don't want anybody to think that this is easy. Content creation is very difficult. It requires you to produce so much and be consistent in that production and continue your intake, right? Continue that process of creation. I'm gonna be uploading some more cinematic videos soon to kind of really get more views, right? I'm learning about the editing space, but the moral of what I'm saying is that you really have to up your edge constantly as a content creator, as a video editor. Now, regardless, one of my big goals is 100,000 subscribers in this day, where I'm going to talk about topics that I want to talk about. I'm going to uplift as many people as I can, and I'm going to hit that milestone. So if you're on that journey with me, I would love for you to hit me with a like, comment, and subscribe, and share with me what your journey is in content creation. Where are you at right now? Where are you struggling with? Where are you at? Right now, as I'm making this video, this is where my analytics are. So I've got a long way to go, but I've learned along the way exactly the tricks and the tips that I've had to master that are changing how I'm producing content. Now, am I going to produce as much as Gary Vee's team? Probably not. But if I can tap into a few content creator channels, niches, and build a small but strong audience and show you guys what's possible, I will 100% give you all of the tips that I've learned along that process on the way. And today's learning lesson of the day is to beat the algorithm, you got to work with the algorithm, right? The algorithm is set up in a way that forces you to either respect it or leave and go off in a different venture. So my goal is 100,000 subscribers. This video, the moral of the video is you gotta mass produce. Whether it's gonna look great or not is subject for debate, but the almighty algorithm, nothing is more almighty than Jesus Christ. But the beast of the algorithm requires you to feed it. Take care.